Is a 22 News Storm Team weather alert.
All right, cloudy skies and mostly dry conditions in the valley right now. If you see a flurry, rain shower, it is expected, but most of us are going to be staying pretty okay for the rest of the daytime hours. Even taking a live look in Westfield, not looking too bad, just cloudy skies. And you're definitely going to notice that breeze picking up as you walk outside, especially on your way home from work or school later today. Coming right out of the east right now, as it'll continue to do so through the rest of the afternoon and into the evening. 10 miles per hour in Springfield, 5 miles per hour Westfield. Temperatures along 91 in the valley. We are in the 40s, and we're going to be staying in the low 40s through much of the rest of the afternoon. And then eventually temperatures do fall back down into the 30s. But most of the overnight, especially in the valley, likely going to be staying right around or just above freezing, and that's going to play a big role in what we see here in the valley, and I'll talk more about that in just a second. But again, for the rest of the afternoon, expect temperatures to be staying into the 40s. The winter storm warning is in effect for most of western Massachusetts, all of Berkshire County, western Hampden County, western Hampshire County, all of Friend County, from 5 o'clock this evening until 8 o'clock on Wednesday morning. And this also goes for the winter storm watch for eastern Hampshire County, eastern Hampden County. Got to see what the National Weather Service wants to do with this as we go through the rest of the afternoon, if they want to upgrade this to either a winter weather advisory or a winter storm warning. Right now, it looks like there's some stuff going on out there, some rain and some snow, but a lot of this, as I mentioned, in the valley, not hitting the ground. We got some dry air in place. If you went a couple thousand feet above your head, you'd find some of the rain and snowflakes, but just not hitting the ground yet. But we can take a wider view here on the 22 Storm Team Clouds radar. You can see some light snow off to our west, just to the west of Albany, and some scattered rain showers moving through much of Connecticut and into Rhode Island. And that'll be our weather through the rest of the afternoon. It's as we go into the evening, we're going to start to see precipitation become more widespread and also pick up in intensity on the 22 Storm Team Skycast. 1 o'clock, not looking too bad out there. So again, even in the start of the evening commute, your ride home from work, school, any after-school activities, it looks fine. Starting as light snow, likely in the hill towns, where it'll stay all snow through the duration of this event, but also some rain along 91 in the valley. Got to see how long it takes for the cold air to really work its way out of the valley. A lot of our guidance is starting to keep kind of a warmer trend here and keeping rain along the valley in 91, and that could have an impact on our snowfall totals. But for most of us, as you head to the west of 91 and most of Franklin County, it's keeping it as all snow. And you can see some of the darker blues here as we go into the morning on Tuesday, 5 a.m. Most of us are snow. It could be snowing heavy at times, and also that wind picks up as we go throughout the day. As we go into the afternoon, there could be a brief lull as our center of our system comes close to us. Some dry air could work its way in. On the backside of this, as we go into late afternoon into the evening, we could see precipitation pick back up. And this is our most likely scenario for the valley itself to get some of its accumulation, especially on the grassy surfaces and on untreated surfaces. And eventually this starts to dissipate as we go into Tuesday night. And we could see some light snow showers lingering into early Wednesday morning. For the wind, though, that's going to be a big concern because you got very heavy wet snow combined with wind gusts, 20, 30, 40 miles per hour. And the two together, it's going to be some isolated power outages out there. Here we are, 12 o'clock in the afternoon tomorrow, gusting around 30 miles per hour, 40 miles per hour for much of the valley. And that wind stays with us as we go into Tuesday evening and much of Tuesday night. So here's what we're expecting. Again, the lowest in the valley, where we're expecting kind of that rain mix through much of the overnight. A lot of this will be on the back end through the day tomorrow, and especially tomorrow afternoon, 6 to 12 for much of Franklin County. Of course, the bullseye continues to look for the eastern slopes of the Berkshires and western Hampden, Hampshire, Franklin counties, and 12 to 24, of course, across much of Berkshire County. I think the highest totals will be along the eastern slopes of far western Hampden, western Hampshire County as we go through the day tomorrow. So here's what you need to expect for all this brought together. Light rain and snow showers today, no accumulation expected as we go through tonight. This is when the precipitation becomes heavier, snow rain mix, eventually becoming mostly all snow for all of us. Could be heavy at times. And then again for the day tomorrow, wet snow and wind. You put the two together, power outages will definitely be something we got to keep an eye out for. So for today, for the rest of the afternoon, 40, some light rain and snow showers out there. Through tonight, that mix eventually becoming heavy wet snow for most of us. Temperatures in the upper 20s and low 30s, but got to really keep an eye out for where those temperatures set up in the valley, and that'll dictate how quickly or slowly we change over from snow to rain. But for the rest of the 22 Storm Team 7-day forecast, it's snowy for the day tomorrow. Temperatures right in the mid 30s, so again, it's a very wet, pasty snow. And then some of the snow showers could linger into Wednesday morning. It's windy for much of the day on Wednesday. We dry out for Thursday. St. Patrick's Day on Friday looks cloudy. Temperatures in the low 50s. A chance of some rain as we go into the weekend for Saturday. If you want to stay with us on and online, you could do so by downloading the free 22 News mobile app.